Jump in and buckle up. We are back in the time travel machine and heading to explore more amazing ancient astronomical discoveries. We are traveling back to the year 1442 to what is now called Beijing China. Upon the top of a now ancient building, back then called Platform of Star Watching, many instruments used for astronomy were positioned to allow the study of the heavens. This building still has 8 instruments on top and is now a planetarium and a museum. One of the most outstanding features of this observatory is that it had no telescopes. During the Ming Dynasty, since the emperor was considered to be the son of heaven, the study of the movements of heavenly bodies was a vital business. The second or third generation emperor brought in Muslim scholars and award-winning Flemish Jesuit missionary Ferdinand Verbiest and top scholars of China to advance the study of astronomy. The observatory was a mix of Western and English teachings, and in addition, the ancient instruments featured extensive Asian flourishes in the metalwork, such as dragons, lions, and floral swirls. Brilliant and beautiful, what could be better? As nearly another century passed, more Jesuit scholars from Austria, Germany, and so on were brought in to design and create even more instruments to aid in the study of the heavens. This worldly collaboration of over 400 years ended in 1837 with the departure of Father Verissimo Monteiro de Serra, a Portuguese priest, who resigned from the Directorate of Astronomy, effectively marking the conclusion of an age when European missionaries had led China's imperial directorate. Now, on to the rooftop. Up first, we have the celestial globe, which shows apparent positions of stars in the sky. The Ecliptic Armilla, which measures the ecliptic coordinates of a certain star. The Equatorial Armilla provides readings of true solar time as well as right ascension difference and distances of celestial objects. The Sextant, used to determine the angle between the horizon and a celestial body. Azimuth theodolite, used to calculate the difference in elevation, horizon, and azimuth angles between points A and B. Altazimuth, used to measure the azimuth angle of a star. A very ornate quadrant, used for determining the altitude of a celestial body above the horizon. And last, the Jiheng Armillary Sphere, to demonstrate the movement of the celestial sphere about a stationary Earth at its center. In what would make a very compelling historical action movie, many of the instruments for stargazing were stolen and returned several times over the years, both by invading countries and by changing political regimes. However, one way or another, the ancient steel instruments have always made their way back to the observatory. Germany returned 5 of them in 1921. So, a quick hop back into our time machine, and can anyone guess what year and place we are going to now? I'll give you a few hints. Time-wise, we are traveling sideways, and globally, we are traveling 4,167 kilometers away. Find out on the next fun fact.